Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about refinancing. What exactly does a refinance do? What does it mean? How does it work? So refinancing is beneficial for a couple different reasons, and I'm going to go through those right now. So a lot of times people will want to refinance because they want a lower interest rate. That's the primary purpose that people want to refinance. They want to get a lower interest rate so they can lower their monthly payment and move forward with their 30-year term with a lower monthly payment, lower interest rate. The second reason is to get cash out. So if you've got a lot of equity built up in your house, you can get that equity out with a cash out refinance, which basically means you can take money out to use towards consolidation of debt. You can go purchase another home if you've got enough equity for the down payment. There's several things you can do with it, but that is another option. The third option is to lower your term. So perhaps you don't want to be paying this mortgage off for 30 years. Man, maybe you've got 28 left. You can refinance that into a 15-year, a 10-year, an 8-year. You can do whatever there. Just realize that your mortgage payment is going to increase, not decrease, on this type of refinance in most cases. But it will lessen your term, which therefore is still beneficial for you. So depending on the circumstances, the situation. Another reason that someone might want to refinance is to get rid of their mortgage insurance. So if you have an FHA loan currently and you want to get rid of the mortgage insurance, you can, if everything aligns right and your DTI and all that is good, you can refinance out of that FHA and get into a conventional, which therefore you may be under that 80% and can get rid of that mortgage insurance. So those are a couple reasons to refinance. If you're thinking about it or you're wanting to see if maybe it would make sense for you, reach out to me and let's have a discussion. Let's see if we can get you a lower monthly payment or cash out. Thank you for joining, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Since I forgot to mention in the last video that there are closing costs associated with refinancing, I did want to throw that out there because that's super important and it's something that a lot of people don't think about. But you will have closing costs similarly to a purchase because you're buying the rate down. You have title fees again. There'll be interest to come into play. The underwriter and the loan officer don't work for free, so there will be that as well, but you can potentially roll those into the loan. So you may not have to bring cash to the table, but there will be those fees included, which you can bring to the table if you want to. But I just wanted to add that. So have a good day.